Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use the Notes application on a Mac computer, the full user guide. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Notes application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Notes application. We can search for this. Notes, press enter to open up the application. And there we go, we have the Notes application window on screen. So once we enter Notes, it creates a new note for us. We cannot do anything at the moment. Once we type something, let's just say Computer Science Videos, the note itself has been created. Now let's create a new note. Right click, new note. Let's just say note 2. And let's say we want to pin Computer Science Videos. I would right click and pin note. Let's say note 2. We want to delete. Right click, delete. New note. Note 2 has been created. Now let's create a new folder and call this new folder 2. If we wish to delete a folder, right click, delete folder. New folder 2 is there. Let's go to all my Mac, or let's just go to notes. Note 2, move after we right click to new folder 2. As you can see now, there's only one note within the Notes folder and another within new folder 2. Go to recently deleted. We can delete this. Now that itself has been deleted, let's now go to new folder 2. Click on delete. Go to recently deleted. If we wish to, we can recover this. Move to, let's just say, new folder 2 that has now been recovered. Why would we want to recover a note? Let's just say we have deleted something by mistake and we wish to recover that note. We can remove that deleted note into its original folder or another on your computer. So let's go to Notes, Computer Science Videos, and now what we can do is type something. Computer Science Videos, again, let's insert a table. We can insert a column. We can insert a row if we wish to. What we can then do is start to fill in the table. Let's just say product, price, in pounds, let's just say a watch, a computer. The watch will cost us, let's just say, £50. The computer, maybe £1,000. And then we can total this all up if we wish to. So that's how you create a table. Let's create a new note and call this Hello World. So that's 3 notes that we have now created. If we wish to pin this note, we can. So those 2 notes have been pinned. Let's unpin Computer Science Videos, and that has now been unpinned. If we wish to lock a note, let's click on Computer Science Videos, lock the note, enter the note's password to lock this note. Let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this does not work, that's because the note password was preset beforehand, and that now works. Let's remove the lock, and so the lock itself has been removed. If we go to the top navigation menu, lock note, the note itself has now been locked, or has it? Let's go to remove the lock, lock note, close all locked notes, and so that itself has been locked. And now let's type the password. So that itself has been unlocked. Let's go to notes, preferences, reset the password. This allows you to create a new password for notes you lock from now on. Notes that already have a password are not affected. Let's click on OK. We want to reset the password. That's fine. And so let's choose a new password. For this tutorial, 1 to 5. The hint, set password. And so the password has now been changed. Now let's click on enter password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hint, the previous password is given to us. Update the password. Yes. So now let's lock the note. Close all locked notes. This is the new password. There we go. We can also insert a photo to the note. Let's click on photos. This takes us to our photo album where we have our customized thumbnails all saved in. So let's say I want to decrease the size of this. You may not be able to, so let's just say delete. Take another photo from Finder. Go to pictures. I will open up the image for the Mac computer. Decrease the size of the image itself. Command-Shift-4. Let's just take a screenshot of this image itself and compress as much as we can. And then decrease the size of the notes window. Drag and drop the image of the Mac computer to notes. Right click, view as a large image, and now we have increased the size of the image itself. So that's good. If we wish to change view, we can view notes as gallery. And so here we have Hello World and Computer Science Videos. Go back to list. If we go to file, we can create a new note. We can also use Command N to create a new note. We can create a new folder if we wish to. Let's just use the keyboard to type anything. We can close the application if we wish to. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to Notes. We can export as PDF if we wish to. Let's go to Notes, Computer Science Videos, type in the password. 1 to 5. File, export as PDF. To the desktop. Save. Minimize notes for the moment. Open up ComputerScienceVideos.pdf. And there we have the notes converted to a PDF file. Quick preview. Go all the way down to the dock. Go back to Notes. We can go to the top navigation menu and go to File, and this will allow us to play around with any paragraphs we wish to. We can format all our paragraphs if we require to. We can go to View. We can, if we wish to, change from list to gallery as we've already seen. There's also a shortcut, Command 1 and 2. We can hide the folders, show the folders, hide note count, show note count, show attachments browser, hide the attachments browser. We can zoom in and out if we wish to, change back to the actual size, hide toolbar, show toolbar, customize toolbar. This will allow us to add additional features if we wish to. Let's just add something that's not available, or what we can do is remove, let's just say, the lock and add the lock back. Click on done. We can also go to window, minimize zoom, go to help if we require any help. If we wish to, we can float the selected note, which brings the note to a new window. Let's go to Computer Science Videos, float the selected note, and there we go. Minimize notes, and we can use both notes side by side. Let's just hover over and click on the green traffic light, which will take the note to the side. Likewise with the other notes. So now we can use both of these notes simultaneously and decrease the size of one or the other if we wish to. We can now come out of full screen on both notes. We can close the notes, but this will not close down all notes. We will go back to the main notes application. And so we can also share to mail, airdrop, windows and reminders and more if we wish to. More will bring up the system preferences and then allow us to pick additional applications if we wish to. And so if we quit notes, do not worry, we have not lost any work that we were working on. Go back to notes. Everything will always be auto saved. Unlock your note using your password, and there we go. So we can have quit notes. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.